Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Shop. You all are very well. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, sale, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful exclusive collections only for you. So let me display pure handloom one. Very nice one. This one is fully designer piece. 30JX1 is saree code, 3700 is a saree price. Very bright one, white golden shade with beautiful design work, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane, have golden sign. And this one is full base part, beautiful mirror design, and this one is golden zari border, fine weaving design border. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, mirror with embroidery designer work. Very nice one, beautiful bright looks, white golden shade. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari stripes with mirror design, very smart elegant looks, best for your party wear. This one is full base part, mirror design, golden zari fine weaving border. This one is full base part, have golden sign also. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base, very exclusive, smart, beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4,000 for your exclusive bright party looks. Premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane with designer work. This one also very nice one, very elegant looks also. 30JX2 is a saree code, 2200 is a saree price. Premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane, pure white base, silver zari border. And this one is full base part, pure white one, and multi-color gicha with contrast color threaded, fully weaving polka design. This one is gicha weaving polka design, and this one is contrast color threaded weaving design, silver zari border, white with silver zari border, very elegant looks, contrast piping. And this one is full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, highlighted stripes. This one is also pallu part, same contrast color with fine stripes design with beautiful gicha weaving polka design, contrast color pallu with gicha weaving polka design, very nice one, natural fabric, lane by lane with polka weaving design, very smart elegant looks, best for your office wear, daily wear also. And I will suggest this soft silk material, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2550 for your smart elegant exclusive looks. This one also beautiful one, fully traditional work, very nice one. 30JX3 is saree code, 9000 is saree price, very beautiful one, beautiful color also, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka with silver zari weaving design. This one is full base part, silver fine silver zari weaving diagonally work, full base part. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, premium quality, fine silver zari fully hand weaving design border portion. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving silver zari hand weaving design, very exclusive one, smart elegant looks. This one is beautiful weaving design, and this one is full base part, full base is same silver zari diagonally work, fully weaving design, very smart elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is full base part, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka varnish, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, polka weaving work, self work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 9500 for your smart elegant exclusive party looks. This one also very nice one, a natural fabric, lane by lane, very elegant also. 30JX4 is a saree code, 4700 is a saree price, white base, silver zari border, jamdani work, very exclusive one, fully hand weaving jamdani, and this one is full base part, beautiful checks design, copper color checks design, and this one is border portions, white base, natural fabric, lane by lane, silver zari border, and this one is border portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani design, very nice one, exclusive elegant looks. This one is full base part, checks, border is jamdani weaving design, silver zari border, and beautiful jamdani work, very smart one, natural fabric, lane by lane. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is beautiful border design, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful smart looks, beautiful hand weaving floral jamdani work, and full base part is checks, very exclusive smart trendy looks, silver zari border, white base, full base part is checks, border jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100 for your elegant exclusive trendy looks. This one also bright smart elegant one 3030ZX5 is saree code, 2800 is the saree price, very smart one, checks with weaving design, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, silver zari border, and this one is full base part, multicolor checks, highlighted silver zari checks lines, and beautiful weaving design on box part, very nice one in box part, and this one is silver zari border, and this one is full base part is checks design with weaving buta. This one is fully weaving design, very nice one, smart elegant looks, and this one is pallu part, pallu is very beautiful one, silver zari stripes pallu, and this one is full base part, very elegant smart look, checks, highlighted silver zari box, checks design, and with weaving buta design, very elegant smart trendy looks for your daily wear, office wear, very elegant one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive one, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, stripes pattern, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your smart elegant exclusive looks. So very beautiful one, pure handloom cotton fabric, 30ZX6 is saree code, 2400 is saree price, very beautiful elegant looks, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful Madhubani print, silver zari border, very elegant trendy looks. This one is full base part, pure handloom cotton fabric, silver zari border, contrast red with silver zari border, and this one is border portions, beautiful Madhubani printed one, and this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully beautiful contrast color pallu with fine Madhubani printed pallu, very exclusive smart trendy looks, bright also. This one is full base part, beautiful Madhubani printed border, silver zari contrast red border, and this one is mustard yellow base, very smart elegant exclusive looks. And this one is running blouse piece printed one, and this one is full base part, very elegant combinations. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900 for your elegant smart trendy looks, based for your office wear, very smart one. This one also very elegant looks, pure fine lane by lane, pure handloom, 30ZF7 is a saree code, 2800 is a saree price, exclusive one, multicolor checks, silver zari border, and highlighted silver zari checks design, silver zari highlighted box checks, and this one is beautiful fine weaving buta design, very smart one, silver zari border, and this one is multicolor checks, highlighted silver zari box with beautiful weaving design, fully weaving design buta, very exclusive smart one. And this one is pallu, but pallu also very nice one, silver zari fine stripes with checks pattern, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, bright beautiful elegant looks, fine lane by lane, pure handloom one, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part and fine weaving buta design. And I will suggest this cotton fabric stitching stripes pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200 for your smart elegant exclusive looks. This one also, same material, cotton fabric with Madhubani print. 30JX8 is saree code. 2400 is saree price. Very nice one. Bright, beautiful color, contrast color border with Madhubani print. This one is, full base part, very exclusive one. Contrast color, silver zari border, and this one is full border portions, beautiful Madhubani print. And this one is bright color base. And this one is, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful Madhubani printed one. Very exclusive, smart, trendy looks. Pure handloom cotton fabric with Madhubani print. Based for your regular wear, office wear, professional wear. Very nice one. Smart looks. This one is beautiful printed running blouse piece. Very exclusive, smart, trendy looks. And this one also, same material, pure handloom cotton fabric with Madhubani print, bright, beautiful color. Let me open purple shade. This one is, full base part, pure handloom cotton fabric, summer friendly. This one is full base part. This one is silver zari contrast color border, and full border portions, beautiful Madhubani printed one. And this one is full base part, beautiful printed flower printed, and this one is pallu part, contrast color with beautiful Madhubani printed one. Very bright, beautiful, exclusive look, smart, trendy one. Silver zari border and border portions Madhubani printed one. And this one is, full base part, beautiful one, bright, beautiful, smart looks, based for your summer wear also. And this one is fine printed running blouse piece. Very smart one. This same material, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed one. Very soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom cotton fabric with print. This one is, beautiful printed one, yellow base, and this one is border portions, contrast color, silver zari border. This one is beautiful border design, and this one is, very beautiful printed one. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with stripes pattern, beautiful printed pallu. Very exclusive, smart, trendy looks. Pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed one. This one is, full base part. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one is running blouse piece, nice printed, contrast color printed running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, very elegant looks. Contrast silver zari border, very elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, based for your summer wear. This one also, same material, very elegant looks, beautiful bright color. 30JX11 is saree code. 2400 is saree price. Beautiful color combinations with Madhubani print, contrast color, silver zari border, and this one is, full base part. Very nice one. This one is beautiful color. This one is border portions, silver zari contrast color, silver zari border with beautiful Madhubani printed one. And this one is full base part, fine Buta pattern print, Madhubani print. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful Madhubani printed one. Very elegant, exclusive looks, pure handloom cotton fabric with Madhubani print, based for your office wear. Very trendy, exclusive looks. This one is full base part. This one is border portions, this contrast color silver zari border, and full border portions, beautiful Madhubani printed one. Very exclusive one. And this one is, running blouse piece, beautiful contrast color printed running blouse piece. This one is full base part, beautiful color combinations also for your smart looks. This one also, same material, pure handloom cotton fabric with print. 30JX 12 is saree code. 2400 is saree price. Beautiful printed one, very elegant looks. And this one is, white base with floral print. This one is full base part, beautiful smart printed one. And this one is, border portions, contrast color, silver zari border with beautiful printed border one. And this one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful print. And this one is, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, stripes pattern with beautiful printed pallu. Very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And this one is, full base part, very elegant combinations. This one is beautiful printed border. This one is base part, and this one is, running blouse piece. contrast color with beautiful printed running blouse piece, and contrast border silver zari with contrast color border design. Very nice one. This one also, same material, printed one, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful print. 30JX13 is saree code, 2400 is saree price. Beautiful color combinations, very elegant looks. Silver zari contrast color with silver zari border. This one is, full base part, beautiful one. This one is border, contrast color, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful printed one. Very exclusive one, pure handloom, premium quality cotton fabric with printed one. And this one is, pallu part. Pallu also very nice one, beautiful printed stripes pattern with beautiful printed pallu. Very elegant looks. This one is full base part, floral pattern, printed silver zari border, and beautiful color combinations also. And this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, beautiful printed running blouse piece, and this one is full base one. Very nice one, smart, elegant, exclusive looks. Very beautiful, smart, trendy looks. 30JX14 is saree code, 2800 is a saree price. Very beautiful one, premium quality, fine lane by lane with checks pattern, silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving butta design, contrast color. This one is, full base part, and this one is silver zari border and full beautiful checks, highlighted silver zari highlighted lines, and beautiful weaving butta design. Very smart, elegant looks. This one is, pallu part. Pallu also very nice one, fine silver zari stripes pattern with beautiful weaving design, checks pattern, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. This one is, full base part, very elegant, exclusive looks, checks with beautiful weaving butta design, silver zari border, and this one is, running blouse piece. Very smart, elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, exclusive looks. Very smart one. This one also, very exclusive, elegant looks, very elegant one. 30JX15 is a saree code, 4900 is a saree price. Base is white base, golden zari border, and pure handloom resham by charka cotton weaving, and full base part. This one is full base part, golden zari border, and this one is beautiful stripes pattern, self weaving stripes pattern, kota pattern stripes design, full base part, pure handloom resham by charka cotton weaving. This one is border, golden zari border, white base, very elegant, exclusive look, soft, lightweight, comfortable. Base is pure white one, golden zari border, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving geometric pattern, jamdani design, pure resham pallu with beautiful jamdani work, geometric pattern, jamdani design pallu, pure resham with jamdani work. Very exclusive one, highlighted fine golden zari stripes line highlighted the pallu, and this one is very colorful jamdani work pallu, and this one is full base part. Very elegant, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, synthetic material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 5100 for your elegant, exclusive looks. And today I have draped a beautiful bright color saree, pure resham silk, golden zari 1-inch border, and full base part is beautiful silk sequin stripes pattern, full base part. And this one is, pallu portions, beautiful jamdani butta with silk sequin design, fully designer piece, very exclusive one. 8200 is saree price. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.